Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm continuing to go through the 2018 Higher Tier Paper 1. This is question 13 and it's a question about surds. So what we've got to do is we've got to multiply out this bracket. And a surd is a number which is a square root. So anything underneath the square root is a surd. So we can see this contains a lot of surds here. We've got root 5, the root 8 and the root 18. And what we've got to do is we've got to multiply this out. I've got to show that it can be written in the form a times root 10. And we've got to find the value of a. So what we're going to do, we're going to take this expression, the root 5 times the root 8 plus the root 18, and we're going to try and multiply into this bracket. So we're going to go root 5 times root 8. So what we can say is root 5 times root 8, multiply the 5 by the 8, and that'll actually give us root 40. We can then multiply the root 5 times the root 18, and that will give us plus root 90, because 5 times 18 is 90. Then what we can try and do is simplify these as much as possible. And the way we do that is we look for square numbers which are factors of these. So we can see that 40 could be written as 4 times 10. And we can see that 4 is a square number. The reason 4 is a square number is because it can be written as the square of another number. So we can see that 4 is equal to 2 squared. And so we can write the root 40 as the product of the root of 4 times the root of 10. So there we go, root of 4 times the root of 10. And the reason why we're looking for square numbers is because if we take the square root of a square number, we do get a whole number. And we can see that root of 4 is actually 2. So that will simplify to being 2 times root 10. Similarly, we can do the same with the root 90. So we can see that 90 could be written as 9 times 10. And since 9 is also a square number, because 9 could be written as 3 squared, so that would be 3 squared times 10, we're going to split the 90 up in that manner. We're going to say that 90 is root of 9 times by root of 10. And we know that the root of 9 is 3, because 3 squared does give us 9. So that will be 3 root 10. Then what we can do, we can just add these together. It's a bit like saying we've got 2x plus 3x, which would give us 5x. So if we had an algebraic expression which was 2x plus 3x, we could just say, well, how many x's have we got there? I've got 2. How many x's have we got there? I've got 3. So that would be 5x. And in a similar way, we can do the same here. We can say, well, 2 times root 10 plus 3 times root 10 is actually going to give us 5 root 10. And we finished it. We've actually got it in the form that's required. We've got 5 root 10. Well, we're asked to find it in the form of a root 10, where a is an integer. And we can see that, well, a is just the number that's multiplying the root 10. So a is equal to 5. There we go. So I hope that's been helpful to you. If it has, please like our video and subscribe to our channel, which is Gary Teaches Maths. And for more help, visit our website, which is just appearing at the top now, and it's bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.